Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the keyboard. That protects circuits and makes the rest safer. Once done, use a keycap puller or thin flat tool and pull straight up. Avoid twisting to prevent breakage. Make sure to observe the key's orientation and any stabilizer bars or clips so you can reassemble correctly. You'll want a small container to keep the cap and any screws or springs together, and a quick photo on your phone helps if parts look similar. Now focus on the switch and surrounding area. Blow compressed air at an angle to dislodge crumbs without pushing them deeper. Once clear, gently dab a cotton swab with 70–90% isopropyl and clean around the stem and housing to remove grime. Avoid soaking the switch. Then inspect the spring, stem, and stabilizer for bends, broken clips, or worn parts. If the stabilizer is loose, unclip it and realign. If the switch looks damaged, note model and prepare replacement. To finish, realign the stabilizer and stem, then press the keycap straight down until it clicks. Make sure it moves smoothly and sits flush. Next, reconnect power and run a key tester or type normally to confirm actuation and travel are correct. If you still see missed presses or wobble, swap the keycap and switch with a known good one to isolate the fault. If that fixes it, replace the faulty switch or stabilizer. If you encounter resistance, stop and recheck alignment to avoid breaking clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.